I notice these perennials in containers. That's not always something you see.
Yeah, these are really showcasing our Veronica Skyward that you'll see in lilac up here and down here.
Yeah.
They'll get larger in the landscape beds, but this is really showing off the flower power they have, even in the late season with that. They have that kind of lateral branching on the flowers, which really maximizes how much coverage you have up top.
I don't even know if these have been deadheaded,
These probably
to tell you
haven't.
the truth. I mean,
really, when just left to do what they do, they just keep going. And what we look for late season is if we're trying to keep those leaves clean. At this point, you might just see a mass of black leaves on a Veronica.
Some Veronicas.
But yeah, it behaves in the container and then it kind of explodes in the garden. It's a good, real garden-sized plant.
Yeah, the ones that you sent me last spring, they're nice size. They're probably, I don't know, a couple feet tall, maybe, or wide.
Yeah.
They'll get that 18-inch for sure.
Yeah.
And the other thing is these don't fall apart like some traditional Veronicas do. Okay. So you'll encounter the mildew and then the falling apart type of habit. So this is still beautifully upright. And still floriferous. So, yeah. The Skyward series, and this one is lilac.
Yeah, we were looking at one over there. It was very upright. The foliage was really clean. So nice. Yeah, it looked really good.
So we just launched a light pink for 2026, which I really like as well. So
people, will be seeing pink and lavender or lilac.
For sure. And in the landscape bed, you could certainly mix those.
Oh, that'd be very pretty. Yeah. And another pollinator plant, right?
Oh, yeah.
Butterflies will like that.
The bees love them.
Great.